Corporation tax full computation. So this question can also be downloaded from the video or also from the location where revision or exam papers is kept for this area. So the first step in this is to do the initial working for the adjusted profit, adding back ineligible items. So we're going to add back depreciation, we're going to add back the loss on disposal, and we're going to take a look at the expense on the case 5, which is the rental income. So quickly the working on that before we go forward in it. There was 2 items, insurance and light and heat. 20% of each of those was offsettable against the storage unit rental income. So that totals €26,000. We also have a political donation and interest on tax, which are not offsettable against tax. Neither is the client entertainment portion of the entertainment and PR budget. So now the deductions that are allowable, there's other income, which we'll deal with elsewhere, and capital allowances that we'll deal with now. So the machinery that's held at the end of the year had an original cost of 100,000. So the charged capital allowance on that will be €12,500. We received €20,000 on an asset that we disposed of with a tax written down value of 25,000, which means there was a balancing charge of 5,000 on the capital allowances, giving a final capital allowance of €17,500. With that, we have our deductions and therefore a case 1 adjusted income of €2,769,500. We're now doing the workings for the rental income. The firm has rented out a portion of one of its premises for use for storage purposes and is receiving a gross rent of €140,000 per annum. The expenses, which we added back earlier on, was 26,000, and therefore we have a case 5 income of €144,000. So we're now ready to do our final tax computation in this case. So we start with the case 1 income, which we calculated at 2,769,500. The case 3 income, which was 40,000. The case 5 income, which is €114,000. And therefore, to work out the corporation tax on case 1, it's 12.5% of the 2,769,500. Case 3, the interest is 40,000 multiplied by 25%. And finally, case 5, which is the rental income, is 144,000 multiplied by 25%. Add those all up, and the total tax liability for corporation tax is €384,688.